What do you kids have over there?
Puppies.
Are those Betsy's puppies?
Yes.
It's puppies.
Betsy's puppies? Are they going to sleep?
Yeah.
They're tiny.
Yeah, they're tiny. And they're soft.
Oh, look at mine.
What's yours doing?
She's asleep.
Oh, did you put it to sleep?
Yeah.
Good job. Are they both little girls?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's yours doing, Jonathan?
He's moving all around.
You have to put him back to sleep?
Aren't they so tiny?
Yeah. Are they pretty cute? You got yours to sleep, Mary. Let me see if I can come get them. Oh, they're talking.
To the mommy. Are you trying to talk to the mommy, Mama?
Well, little puppies make those little sounds, yes, to talk to their mommies. And if
Do they think we're the mommies?
no, but they like being held.
See, Mama.
See?
You're tiny.
Oops, let's get the focus. Can we get that little face? Ah, what in the world? Look at that cute little face. You're doing a good job, Mary. Oh, eyes are still closed. And let's see, Jonathan, how's your puppy doing over there?
Good.
Did you get to sleep? Oh, here's his little head. Can I see his little head?
Yeah.
Can you lift your arm up? Oh, yeah. There's his little head.
Isn't it so tiny, Mama?
Yeah.
You have to look at the camera. See? Look at the camera. This.
Oh, look. These are Betsy's puppies, 2 of her girls. She had a litter of 7 big, healthy puppies. Oh, I think we need to let that one nurse. 6 girls and 1 boy.
Oh,
Just 1 boy.
no. Mine is too sweet. I made it go to sleep.
You made yours go to sleep? Did you rock yours to sleep?
Yeah.
You sure did. Oh, Jonathan? You're just hungry. I think we need to put her back with Betsy.
Oh, babies.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Snuggle her right here. So cute. All right.
It's okay.